I'm here to talk you about the intelligent sensors. So I work on an entity of Thales that works with intelligent sensors like cameras, mostly historically about cameras. And our recent activity is to bring these sensors that where we put intelligent algorithms on drones, on mobile platforms. And we have a lot of projects, and one of them is one of them is with the firefighters from Paris for the operations of firefighters. And with this project, we had a lot of experience with these sensors because we are not used to use video cameras, visible and thermal cameras on scenarios where we have a lot of smoke, hot smoke, and there are other sensors like the LiDAR also for the navigation. So this project is a project Coupole where we work with like the firefighters, like I said, and recently we made some experience near Lyon with the firefighters where we tested a lot of sensors on the real use cases. It was not a real fighter, it was a simulation, but it allows us to analyze and to see what we can expect from the data of these sensors and to feed this information for the decision operations. So this is information with the videos that were captured from drones. And on this project, we have two use cases. One of them is to detect an opening to enter a second drone. And another one is to search and rescue for people inside of the building. It's not fire. It's not forest fire, but it's very similar in what concerns the sensors. We have a second project that we start on the next month, where we will work with the firefighters from Corsica, and where we have a use case that is more related with forest fires, and where we expect to continue to develop our algorithms on drones for these use cases. The scenarios for this project are the surveillance, so to prevent the fires, and another one, and the two other is to give a view for the firefighters in order to understand the evolution of the fire. And another scenario is to search and rescue for people that are maybe on the fire. So, okay, thank you.